Welcome. In front of me is Gateway GWNR71517 laptop, and in this video I will guide you through the setup process of Windows 11 on this device. First of all, select the right country or region, and once you do that, click yes. Then select the right keyboard layout and click yes again. Then if you want to add a second keyboard layout, click add layout, and if you want to skip, just then press skip. Then connect to the network. Select the network you want to connect to, press connect, and then input the security key for the network. Then click next. And wait a while. Click next again and wait for Windows to check for the updates. Now at this point you can name your device by entering the name in the following field and pressing next. But you can also skip this step. If you're gonna name your device, it's gonna take some additional time because it's gonna restart your PC and then return to the same page again. So I'm gonna skip this for now. Once the updates are installed, we can continue the setup process. So at this point, select sign in, then input your email or phone number that is connected to your Microsoft account. Then click on next. Let's receive a code onto our email that we provided. In case you provided an email, in case you provided a phone number, you should get a code on your phone number. So select send code and then enter the code that you received on your either on your email account or on your phone number. So give me a moment. Okay, so my code is 956907. Okay, and once you provided the code that you received on your email or your phone number, select sign in, and this way you will be signed into your Microsoft account. Then once you do that, you'll be able to set up a fingerprint for your laptop to unlock it easily, but you can skip this for now, as we can do it at any time in settings. Then let's set up a PIN number. Confirm. Then press OK. Then wait for a while. Then select privacy settings for your device. Now I suggest that you go with location and find my device features, and just in case you lose your device, you'll be able to locate it using find my device, and using location you'll be able to get things like news and weather based on your location. Now the diagnostic data, inking and typing, tailored experience, I usually switch them to the left because they do nothing but collect the data of usage. So if you want to, you can get to know each of these settings better, but generally speaking, I usually switch them to the left because they don't do anything, just collect your data for diagnostics. And click accept once you're ready. Select continue. And then wait until the backup is restored. If you didn't have this message, don't worry, it's just a backup from a different device. Okay, and at this point we are almost done, so we're only going to get a couple more offers from Microsoft before things are done. Just wait a little bit, we're almost there. Okay, so at this point we can customize our experience, but this doesn't do anything, and you can always change it in settings later. So I suggest that you press the skip option in here, and then if you want to use your phone from PC, if you have an Android phone, you can scan this QR code right here, and if you have an iPhone, you can skip this for now and then link your phone in phone link application. If you want to back up your phone photos, again you can simply scan this QR code and install the OneDrive app. I'm gonna skip it for now. Click not now. Now if you're interested in 1 month free and then $129.99 per year for using Microsoft 365, you can continue. I'm gonna decline it because I don't need it. The same goes for basic Microsoft. At this point, click next. I'm gonna skip the PC Game Pass too. And at this point our PC is ready. So thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.